Hello guys. Today, we'll see the best 5 drones in 2020, and as usual you will be able to get any of these drones from the link given in the description. Parrot and a fee. This drone with a camera equipped with wide-angle ASPH lens, HDR, and up to 2.8 times digital zoom captures spectacular 4K videos, full HD without loss of quality. Additionally, you have a timer, a burst mode that captures 10 photos per second, and wizards to take over professional settings. The ANAFI Parrot drone can have up to 25 minutes of filmed flight time thanks to an intelligent LiPo battery that optimizes its life and charges 60% faster using the power delivery USB Type-C charger. With its ultra-compact and lightweight carbon frame, this quadcopter drone unfolds in less than 3 seconds, reaches a speed of 55 km per hour in sport mode and withstands bullets up to 50 km per hour. Equipped with a Parrot Sky Controller 3 folding remote control, the ANAFI Parrot drone can be located at any time thanks to the activation of your smartphone's vibrator when attention or immediate action is needed. Software updates can make changes to existing features, further enhance ANAFI's reliability and performance, or offer new experiences. It is therefore important to have an updated FreeFlight 6 application and to accept the proposed software updates. Sky Controller. Parrot Sky Controller 3 is compact, foldable and has a 4 km range. With 2 hours battery life, precise zoom and tilt control and a portable USB-C charging system. It is designed for seamless integration with ANAFI. The dolly zoom effect uses ANAFI's unique zoom capabilities and its advanced visual tracking system to create a perspective deformation of the background. Smart dronies let you take automatic aerial selfies. Create fun moments with your friends and share them on your social media in a click. The slow motion mode records automatically, instantly adding a slow motion result, ideal for all your sport or action-based videos. The hyperlapse mode immediately accelerates your videos so you can capture a sunset, a sunrise or even passing clouds. Parrot Bebop 2. Enhanced 14-megapixel fisheye lens offers 1080p video recording and stunning image capture. 25 minutes of flight time thanks to a powerful 2700 mAh battery. Equipped with powerful motors for flight in greater altitudes. Bebop 2 combines aerodynamics, style and durability all into a lightweight and compact drone. This is the first drone in its weight class with a 25-minute battery life. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor flight. Fly with peace of mind. Bebop 2 is not only fun to fly, but safe as well. Its propellers are programmed to shut down automatically in a collision, keeping the drone and the pilot safe from harm. A powerful rear LED light ensures in-flight visibility, and the automatic return home function means your drone will be able to find you at the end of its journey. Sky Vision. Bebop 2's 14MP camera has been redesigned so it captures more of the landscape and less sky. You can also film and photograph at a 90 degrees angle without any loss of quality. Bebop 2 is now also equipped with an enhanced fisheye lens that provides better exposure and clarity, even in low lighting. With stunning HD video and photography, your footage will never disappoint. High performance. Bebop 2 is an ultra-light drone capable of flying in all conditions. It combines exceptional flight performance and excellent stability at high altitudes and against powerful winds. The stability of the Bebop 2 is maximized with its integrated 3-axis digital stabilization system. Bebop 2 is easy to fly using the FreeFlight 3 piloting app on your smartphone or tablet, which is available for free download in the Apple App Store and Google Play. Video streaming in real time. Stream footage from your Bebop 2 in real time on your smartphone or tablet. Feel like changing up your view? Adjust the camera's angle with the single swipe of your finger. Share with the community. Share your beautiful footage and images with fellow Parrot drone users. DJI Phantom 4. The Phantom 4 Pro controller integrates an upgraded Lightbridge HD video transmission system that adds 5.8 GHz transmission support. Normally, Wi-Fi video transmission systems use a 2.4 GHz frequency to work with a controller using a 5.8 GHz frequency, as this prevents interference that can occur when both use the same frequency. If using the same frequency, the video transmission system and the remote controller will interfere with each other, causing image lag. Draw is a brand new technology for waypoint control. Simply draw a route on screen and the Phantom 4 Pro will move in that direction while keeping its altitude locked. This allows the pilot to focus on camera control and enables more complex shots. There are 2 draw modes that can be used in different scenarios. The Phantom 4 Pro automatically recognizes subjects, follows and captures them as they move, making it easier to get complex shots. Following fast-moving objects can be very challenging, but advanced image recognition algorithms used by the Phantom 4 Pro allow it to recognize and track the object while keeping it in frame. This new algorithm also recognizes more subjects, from people to vehicles to animals, and will adjust its flight dynamics to match, ensuring smoother shots. The onboard camera has been redesigned to use a 1-inch 20-megapixel CMOS sensor. A custom-engineered lens made up of 8 elements is arranged in 7 groups. Fly in any direction visible on screen with a simple tap. Tap anywhere on screen to smoothly adjust the direction of flight while automatically avoiding obstacles. In its upgraded return to home mode, the Phantom 4 Pro can automatically choose the best route to return home depending on environmental conditions. Using gesture mode, selfies can be captured easily using a few gestures without the remote controller. Advanced computer vision technology allows the Phantom 4 Pro to take instructions through gestures. Professional aerial imaging benefits from longer flight times. The Phantom 4 Pro has a maximum flight time of 30 minutes, providing more time in the air to capture the perfect shot. The DJI Go app shows battery lifetime and calculates remaining flight times according to distance traveled and more. DJI Mavic Air. Mavic Air was built to go wherever adventure takes you. Inheriting the best of the Mavic series, this ultra-portable and foldable drone features high-end flight performance. Axis gimbal camera. The Mavic Air is the most portable DJI drone to house a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. 32MP sphere panoramas. In addition to horizontal, vertical, and 180 degrees panoramas, the Mavic Air stitches 25 photos together in just 8 seconds to create crystal clear 32MP sphere panoramas. Slow motion video. With support for recording 1080p 120fps slow motion video, the Mavic Air captures all your epic high-speed adventures. New HDR algorithms help you obtain the right exposure settings intelligently, according to lighting conditions. 3D foldable design. As tall and wide as a smartphone when folded, the Mavic Air is an ultra-portable drone that stretches the boundaries of what's possible for a device its size. Foldable remote controller. The dedicated remote controller uses a foldable 8GB internal storage. In addition to a micro SD card slot, 8GB of internal storage let you save photos and videos. Active Track. Active Track can sense up to 16 selectable subjects simultaneously, letting you choose the right tracking subject. Quick Shots. Choose from 6 different quick shots: rocket, droney, circle, helix, asteroid, and boomerang. Geometric elegance. Expressing geometric precision, the Mavic Air's arms fold flush against its aerodynamic chassis. 4K 100 megabits per second video. The Mavic Air shoots video at an incredible 4K 30 FPS, recording at 100 megabits per second to capture every second with UHD quality. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. Powered by a 1/2.3-inch 12MP sensor with up to 4x zoom, including a 2x optical zoom 24 to 48mm, the Mavic 2 Zoom is all about dynamic perspectives. Powerful, yet safe. After countless hours of research and testing, the Mavic 2 has been optimally redesigned to increase propulsion, lower power consumption, and reduce noise. These subtle yet powerful improvements, along with an improved flight autonomy system, offer a smoother, quieter flight for greater discretion and safety. Capture everything from wide-angle to mid-range shots for even more creative options. Functions include Active Track 2.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, hyperlapse, low-noise design, adjustable aperture, HDR photos, dolly zoom. The standard remote controller offers up to 135 minutes of battery life on a full charge. Use with the DJI Go 4 app on your smartphone. Compared to a 24mm wide-angle lens, the 48mm telephoto lens compresses your perspective, enhancing the parallax effect for a classic cinematic look. A worry-free way to find a view. When shooting Full HD video, 4x lossless zoom including 2x optical zoom gives you a closer view of faraway subjects, making unique scenes more accessible to capture at a distance. Quick and accurate focus. Hybrid autofocus on the Mavic 2 zoom combines phase and contrast detection for higher focus accuracy with an increased focus speed of up to 40% more than before. Super resolution photos. The Mavic 2 zoom also has a brand new super resolution feature, an asset when capturing the vivid details your landscape photography deserves. When taking a picture with a 24mm equivalent field of view, the camera will capture and patch 9 photos with its telephoto lens, resulting in a 48-megapixel super resolution photo.